TUCAT members are hard at work, putting together PPE for people in need. What makes this group different than others working to create personal protective equipment is the method they've chosen. Instead of trying to pump out 3D printed shields and equipment, the members of TUCAT enlisted the help of professors from architecture and sculpture to try and create a mold that would be more efficient than before. I spoke with Mike Kalai, Senior Director of Technology, Facilities, and Operations in the College of Engineering, and lead of the project, about the difference this choice makes.
Once we decided we're going to go to this mold, we started running the numbers, and we could really output numbers in a week by a factor of 10. And quite frankly, I think it's going to be much higher than that. This was our first week of production, and we are finishing the week with just over 2,000 shields.
The task force has only worked for about 4 days this past week, so they're currently averaging around 500 shields a day. Mike's estimate had the program creating around 200 or 300 in a week had they stuck with the 3D printing model. The program is working closely with Temple Hospital and making deliveries of shields when they're able. The new shield design has been receiving positive feedback from members of Temple Hospital due to its sturdier design. The shield is able to be sanitized and maintain its shape, allowing for longer periods of use than the previous models. Universities across the country are trying to help out with the fight against coronavirus, and the work being done at Temple may be a step forward for all of them.
Who knows what New Mexico is doing? Who knows what's, so if someone can spin up out there and start providing their hospitals with this, it's just one less thing they have to be stressed out about.
Reporting from quarantine for Temple Update, I'm Josh Kerman.